But first of all, we need to understand and have the common understanding of what is digital dentistry. I mean, you sit with colleagues or you have a chat with dentists, other dentists, and they tell you, I'm doing CAD-CAM. And they say, I'm doing digital because I'm doing CAD-CAM. But CAD-CAM is just one component or small portion out of the whole digital workflow. Once we discuss the digital workflow, it's composed out of 3 components. Starts with, this thing is not working. No. Data acquisition. So it means that we are trying to acquire data using different tools. And then we move to the next step, which is processing or planning this data for a specific treatment plan, or we can design a restoration, we can plan an implant, or do ortho. All of these can be done using the next step, which is planning and processing. The last step of the whole workflow is the fabrication or the execution. So what comes under data acquisition, we have so many different tools. Starts by intraoral scanners. You have model scanners. You have CBCTs, photos, videos, anything that digitize the data or digitize that object that you have or captures the data for you is under data acquisition. And the next step, again, you see we have implant planning, process planning, we have ortho, we have the computer-aided design, and we have data merging. And I will come to this at a later time point and elaborate more. So for implant planning, as we have learned yesterday, and we have seen from the different lectures, is always related to the prosthodontics planning. In other words, all our implants should be prosthetically oriented. And this applies to single tooth restorations and also full arch rehabilitations.